This recipe never fails and it's really fun to play with, and you could play with this for hours. So let's get started. The ingredients you will need is some Elmer's washable glue. So the measurements are 1/4 cup of glue, double the size of shaving cream, 3 tablespoons or more of your activator. And let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do is pour in your glue. And now you want to pour in your shaving cream. I'm going to pour in my shaving cream now. And then you want to add in your food coloring. Just want to give that a nice stir. So after giving it a nice stir, all you have to do is add your activator. So I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons. And now you just want to stir that all together until it's all combined. So now I kneaded it in with my hands. So if it's a bit sticky, you could add 1 to 2 drops of your baby oil. And after kneading it for a little bit, it will make a really nice and soft texture. See how soft and stretchy this is. Balloon witch. Let's mix this together. Look at that. That's really cool. This is turning out super pretty after I'm starting mixing this together. I'm sure it'll turn into a lighter pink color. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, share, and like to this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. So thanks for watching. Bye.